Some people are so stupid. It's 4th. I'm wearing this hat, you know. I toured the Wisconsin, Norfolk. Thank you for your service, Mike. I didn't serve. I toured the boat not once but twice. Does not say I'm a veteran. Appreciate saying that, but I didn't serve our military. Like, just ran over me like an idiot, like I was some athlete. I'm like, no, I didn't serve. I toured that boat twice. It's a beautiful ship. Excuse me, Wisconsin. This bad boy. Nice. Very nice. $273,000.
Safety is kind of a big deal. So. All right.
Go on the stairs here. We'll kind of go over here. So you can kind of see all kinds of fun stuff. Got more motors over here we've been before. Excuse me.
Yeah.
So you've got boat yards.
Oh yeah.
My next door neighbor does covers these. We had a new baby boy born in the neighborhood yesterday. Matter of fact, she gave birth. She had a little boy, Colton. So these are kind of nice. Look at that. Very good. I like that. I like these. Kind of nice. I like that. That's nice. These are. Like I said, I really can't get. I mean, you can't get everything. You get as much as you can. That. Oh my goodness. You look relaxed. Think you're gonna buy that bad boy? The last time I brought my wife to the boat show, she bought a boat when I was on the other side. She bought another party barge. Like, no more. She's not coming anymore. So, kind of nice. But you can kind of tell a lot of different kinds of starter ships and boats. Oh. So these have covers, I think. This is a pukey brown again. It's the last thing I would have in mind. Party barge. So that's the cover they put on there and stuff. Cover works. Oh.
Yep, there's Mia.
More of this hummingbird stuff and this behavior.
Because it slides up and down.
These are pretty nice ones right here. New model, I guess, right? That's kind of nice. I like that. Very nice. Young man's in there like, yeah, I want this one, man. $90,000 for this pig right here, you guys. 90 grand. What do you think, huh?
A little bit of a lull right now, but you know, that happens from time to time.
That's still too.
And these are cruisers right here, man. 161,000 for this pig. Yeah. That's Lake Mille Lacs or you're in Miami. Not bad.
Consider this a pond journey?
Yeah, that's the next step up from a party barge. Oh my goodness. This is the Miami Vice ones, I call them, the starter ships.
How we doing, man?
Good, nice. Oh my goodness. Look at those bad boys. That's huge. They went 213,000. And they fill these things up too as well. Well, I'm gonna have 2 tanks. You got to fill them up together. Oh my goodness. Oof. Big stuff. He's over here.
Well, you could probably
Excuse me.
somehow get the fish in there.
All right. Hello. What's happening?
Not a whole lot.
Selling any today?
Few.
All right.
Yeah, a little
Good.
bit. Yeah.
Good. 66 grand for this one right here. Whatever. That's when the little boy was in. It's nice. So they got,
Yeah, so just north of
you name it, they got all kinds of stuff here. Kind of for fishing.
Or would you have to buy like whole new baskets?
There's just so much to look at. So now we're kind of out of the party barge area. There's some here, I guess, but mainly they're going to be in the Lund area.
It's cheaper, so.
So these are a fisherman's delights right here. Kind of like these right here. These are kind of cool. Put a little trolling motor on these things, like right here. One-man show. It's nice. I like it. Sit there by yourself, cruise around the lake. Yeah, that one. I don't know. See, that's what they are right there. I like the row one, but that one's nice. I like it. Kind of cool. Something different. 100% recyclable. I like it.
It's a volunteer.
So we'll kind of cruise our way through Lund here, because they've got, these are your fishing boats right here. You can people sit in the back if you want. Come in here. You got your live wells. I think they're still made up in little wells. What's up? Good. What's happening? Good to see you too.
Did you like them soda?
So all kinds of good stuff.
Maybe it's just because we're right
Oh yeah. I don't know where I know him from. I have no idea. I've never seen before. Probably a customer. These are the boxy ones. These are like 33 grand. Not bad. I have a different color, this one. Smaller, but they want a lot of money for these things. I'm shocked. I think these are made in Little Falls, I think. They used to. Big ass motors. Are these still made? Where are these made at Lund? Are they made in Little Falls still?
New York Mills.
Okay, close enough. That's I knew the Minnesota.
Yeah.
Okay, close enough. That's what I thought. Oh, that was bad boy red. That's a nice red. Very nice. These are not cheap. 43,000. Well, ones. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is your fishing ones. But I don't know. I just some of those mid-sized party barges you saw, the Polaris ones, were nice. There you go. But yeah. 2026 models, rebates.
We've come a long way.
That's the price on a lot of these things. 46, 50,000. The smaller one. Look at that. Yeah, you know. More of these are kind of cool. This is a real small one. I knew it was close to General. It's not too far from there, so I figured I was close enough. So who knows? Nice. Well, we gotta have some candy. Gotta get that. I think they have donuts here too as well. Oh yeah, look at that. It's kind of a mid-sized party barge. There you go, look at that, huh? Alright. So you can see there's all different kinds of Lunds boats. They're not cheap either. It's 28 grand or something like that. So smaller one. You can fit a fourth one if you need to. Minnesota made, man. Hell yeah. So this is a bigger one. You're gonna haul it around in. So look at that Monterey one. Holy Christ. Anyways, guys. See you next one.